What's up everyone, Vu, back with another video. And clearly it is early as crap, raining, and I'm out here fishing. Actually, I'm about to go to work. I gotta like do a video shoot at 10 o'clock. So it's like 6:30. And I'm out here. If y'all don't, if some of you don't know, I am a professional videographer. That's how I make money. That's what I do for a living. That's why I try to make my fishing videos as nice looking as possible. But today, clearly, it's raining, so I need to use a waterproof camera. So, it's probably not going to look as nice as usual. Plus, I forgot battery for my other camera, so I only have one camera today. Looking like some straight trash and not the usual fire that you would usually get out of my video footage. Fire similar to your butt crack after eating your 6-month-old snakehead that you stacked in your freezer thinking that you're cool, just packing full a cooler of snakehead, taking a picture of it, and then not eating the snakehead until like 6 months later because you are a douchebag, similar to my douchebag wearing this poncho right now. Even more of a D-bag, filming myself fishing and probably getting skunked. But hey, look, the point is, we go fishing anytime, especially shore fishing is easy. You go in a little bit before work. Just go out there and do it. Especially around here, Maryland, if you have snakehead, you don't have to go out and worry about just, going to that same spot of yours and fishing for, 3rd-pounder bass with your wacky rig Senkos throughout your whole life. You could actually, fish for some real big fish like snakehead here in Maryland. So that's what I'm about to do. I'm not gonna lie, with this rain, I don't know what the heck I'm probably not gonna catch anything, but I'm gonna try. Already my reel is looking like some straight pubes, straight 1980s inappropriate videos. Let's get this bird's nest out real quick. Already be a problem. Might have to fish a little bit faster than I'd like, but I see like no activity out here right now. This place just looks like it's dead. Like the fish all went into hiding because of all this rain. So what I'm trying to do with all this rain is just like create more of a ruckus in the top. And unfortunately, like I can't run like a buzz frog because there's like too much weed out here. Or I can't run like a buzz bait. But maybe I could run a buzz frog, like something more noisy. I do have a poppin' frog, so we'll see about that. I'm just kind of trying to buzz this guy. This guy, he does have like a blade on him. It's American Snakehead Custom, so I'm hoping this does some type of promotion, but I don't know if it's enough. Like it might just look like raindrops to these fish, you know what I mean? Like it doesn't look like anything other than raindrops for them. Nah, but I just saw a fish pop, so maybe. Let's go cast. Yeah, you just gotta like tug a little bit harder, and then they could notice that it is like some type of frog going across the top water, stand out from like all this raindrops. You never know, you never learn what's gonna happen out, on the water until you try. You know what I mean? And it's the only way you could learn how to fish, get better at what you're doing, and understanding the water, what you can do. And right now I'm trying to talk more while I'm fishing, and hopefully I'm not scaring away any fish, but I'm sure they're listening to all the raindrops and not my voice right now. Not gonna lie, like, I'm probably gonna catch absolutely nothing in this weather. Like, it's raining hard as shit right now, but hopefully it's gonna pass through in a bit. I'm looking at, like, I look at the weather map, and on the radar it's like passing through, but we'll see. I switched to a pop frog. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna catch absolutely nothing but raindrops, but hey, what else can I do? On the plus side, it casts really nice. Dude, there's some big ass fish over there fighting. I just saw some big ass fish right over there. Like, it was definitely like some big ass fish. I don't know if I cast it all the way over there. I don't even know if they even care to bite, but I mean, we'll see. Again, I gotta work later, so like I can't really afford to get like really like jacked up wet like my pants. I do have a change of clothes though. I'm not an idiot, but I mean, I guess I am an idiot because I'm out here, but I did bring a change of clothes just in case, I get really jacked up. But I'm gonna try to throw it that way. I don't know if I definitely can't get it that far, but at least there's activity. That's better than absolutely nothing. Not quite, but at least there's action that way, and I'd rather there be action over there than no action. But that's what snakeheads be doing. Is like they often like show themselves. They show you like where they are, and that gets them caught because they're like active on the surface in different ways. They breathe air. They they're big and they're shallow, so when they move you could see their wake. Like right now I just saw something else wake over there. I'm gonna see if I could like walk through this grass. Like, I don't know how like deep it is. I just need to be able to cast over there, and that's why like I'm using a medium rod instead of my medium heavy, because the medium just casts further, especially at the shore. You can't do much, and I know it's not gonna be as good as pulling them out of these weeds, but the medium rod bends a little bit more, and it'll cast more. I mean, unless they have like a medium heavy moderate type rod or something, maybe you can cast some of that, but like as far as I'm concerned, I don't think so, but we'll see. I mean, it is an ugly stick, so I'm hoping that because this is Shakespeare ugly stick, it won't break and shit like that. But I think people are more concerned about like the line weight of a medium rod. So I'm walking through this grass. As long as it doesn't get too deep, Alright, it's pretty deep and muddy and stinky here, and I doubt I'll be able to cast it that far. We'll see, man. Oh shit, I did get it over there. Alright. Good job, American Snakehead Customs, with your casting distance, because I got it way over there with a good cast. Yo, and I'm sorry I sound like a freaking like grocery store bag right now, but I'm wearing this poncho. At least my rods are getting a nice cleaning. It's been dirty as shit. Fishing on all these weeds and this muck, this mud. That's these things snakeheads love to live in. At least this pond is getting some much needed water though. Last time I came here it was like super shallow. It still is. Yo, like, I don't know if that was like a big ass turtle or what. Um, that thing was huge. It might have been a turtle. I'm not trying to catch that thing for sure. That thing is huge. That is definitely like a snapping turtle or some shit. It will probably snap my rod. Unless that's a snake. I doubt it though. Nah, that's definitely not no snake. That was a massive turtle. He's patrolling that area though. Should I try it, dude? Should I try or not? Alright, this is, who cares, right? YOLO, if this breaks, it breaks. Hey, American Snakehead Customs, man, if this thing breaks, you gonna send me another one of these lures? Not a joke. It's definitely it's definitely a turtle. Oh, it's digging. Oh, it's moving though. I got it. Yo, I think I got a big ass snappy turtle. This thing is huge. Oh, I'm a moron. Oh, I should have known better, man. Oh, it's good time to test this ugly stick out. Oh, it's definitely not a snake. I'm a moron. Yeah, he hunkered down. Maybe eventually the hooks would just like bend off or something. I got him hooked good though. Maybe the hooks will bend. Honestly, I'm trying to get him in so I could at least see if I could help him out. It's a big ass turtle. Or maybe it'll loosen up for me, because it seems like it's either he's getting lighter or is it like loosening up. Guy's probably tired now. I mean, if he's still on. I don't even know where he is. FYI, this is, again, there's an Ugly Stik medium with 20-pound test braid and 20-pound test mono leader. Just in case you're curious. I'm an idiot, man. Oh. It's not even a fight, man. It's just like lugging like dead weight. Literally just lugging in dead weight. He's probably like the boss of this area too. Oh yeah, man. He's just like a big ass turtle, man. I got this big ass dinosaur. Yo, like, I'm not gonna lie, like, I feel like a straight ass for doing this, but I'm just trying to get my frog back and hopefully get the frog out of the turtle's mouth. We'll see, man. This thing is big. But if you ever worry whether or not like an Ugly Stik Carbon medium power rod can handle a snapping turtle, here's your answer to that. Sorry, man. I'm just trying to get this hook out of you. All right. That's what we're going to do, man. No hard feelings. I'm not eating you. Like, I'm not from Florida, all right? All right. I'm not doing that shit. I'm not eating no snapping turtle. But if I could help you out and get this hook out of you, that's what I'm gonna do. All right, man. So like, don't try to bite me or nothing, unless you like straight swallowed that thing. Alright, man, I'm probably gonna just have to break you off, bro. Like, sweet. Got my hook back. Thank God. Alright, man, I hope you swam off. Yo. Yo, thank goodness for this rod, man. Like, you know, I know unfortunately we couldn't see the turtle, but it was definitely a turtle. Hopefully the footage caught its head coming up. But yeah, thankfully I got my lure back, and two, at least we know that I'm not a piece of trash when tying a knot. My leader knot seems fine, and my lure knot seems fine. Looks pretty good. 20-pound test. braid, mono, handled a big ass snapping turtle through thick weeds, no problem. Ugly Stik Carbon, medium action rod. Medium fast action rod. Abu Garcia Revo X reel. Set the drag a little bit, handled it pretty well. As you can see, this frog got some damage on her from probably like the snapping turtle's mouth. Really dug in, but hey, the hooks didn't really bend, which is a good and bad thing because there's like no give on it. But hey, you know what? Damn. Yo, this footage is gonna look like some straight trash. It's not properly exposed. Yo, I think that turtle is still there. I just like kicked the shell. I felt like he's still there. I hope he's okay, man. Just move on with your life, man. I hope you're still alive, bro. Shit. Alright, he's gone. The turtle's gone. So I just saw some fish popping right over there. Definitely a fish in that turtle this time, okay? Yeah, so unfortunately, turtle popped a hole into the frog, so frog taking in some water. Yeah, I'm not gonna be able to fish this frog. It takes too much water. It's taking in too much water now because of the hole that popped into it. Like, it got a big old cut right here. So yeah, like I don't know if you can see it right here. So like water is going in there and like, you know, it's just sinking. So the dang turtle is still there. Surprised he didn't just like go away, you know? Like maybe he trusts me because I didn't try to kill his ass. I hope he's alright. Like he's not hurt or something. That would suck. I got a fish, guys. This is an even smaller rod. He might be off though. He's probably off. Oh, he's on. He's on. He's on. It's a small snake though. Yep. Got a small snake. Yep, right there. This is like small little. This is definitely a juvenile snakehead. It's probably about maybe 14 inches, 15 inches or something. I'm not a D-bag. She's going back. Can't believe some people take snakeheads this size. Like, he's tiny, man. Like, why would you take him? But I just got to get this hook out real quick. This is on the OSP Spintail Frog. It's pretty old school. It's a Japanese lure. Straight, like this is literally straight from Asia. So, all right, I'm gonna try to get this thing off. Get another shot of him before I throw him back. Spintail frog. It's cool, man. At least I didn't get skunked today. Got a snapping turtle and a snakehead. That's what life is, freaking do this rainy day action stuff. But yeah, just get this lure back out there and see what happens. I'm just actually walking this bait. That's what triggered that bite on that little tiny little guy. It's funny how like that tiny snakehead is like as big as like a pretty decent sized bass here in Maryland, which is kind of sad, but those are facts of the matter. Switched over to this other American Snakehead's Customs frog. Got a little spintail as well. It's a little bit bigger than the OSP one, and it casts a little bit further. So the reason why I'm trying to cast further again is because I'm trying to see if, you know, get a little more distance, get like into a different area that I can't reach, maybe get a fish. Great. Pretty much where I snagged that snapping turtle before, but I mean, it's probably not there anymore. So, I don't know if you noticed, but I've been fishing them a little bit faster, just because I'm trying to make more ruckus on the surface, you know, to stand out from like the water drops from the rain. So yeah, I mean, that's how I caught that one snakehead over there. Same rain, I just kind of like twitch faster than usual, a little bit harder to like get a little more splash. That's what I'm trying to do, because or else like if I just walk it slowly and casually, it's gonna just look like, you know, they can't see it, they can't tell what the heck it is, they just think it's rain or something. But who knows, you know, it's probably all BS like most stuff on YouTube, so we'll see. You understand that's far, that's like a really far cast for my standards anyway, but and I'm trying to trust, you know, my Ugly Stik medium rod, you know, to be able to pull whatever out from far away. You know, the reason why I use Ugly Stik is just very simple. That's kind of rods like my dad and my uncles use, and that's, you know, I always remember that like ugly ass like black and orange and red design of those old rods. So when I went out to buy my own fishing rod, you know, I automatically just went for an Ugly Stik, you know, just because. And you know, they're known to be like really strong, they don't break. Like, you know, I've fallen on like this rod before where like I slipped and then like I used it to brace my fall, and like my body weight went on it, and then it was like kind of caught against like a rock and everything, and didn't break. I see dudes break rods all the time, and it's like they're not even doing anything, and they're supposed to be like a medium heavy, you know. So I just kind of keep it simple. This is like the best model they have. It's not even that expensive a rod. It's like $80. But hey, you know, like it's strong. It's really lightweight, and it's sensitive. It's sensitive to me. Like I can feel bites and all that stuff. That's why I usually just use this. You know, I'm not out here, you know, using my like custom speed stick, you know, freaking Lose BBC speed stick, you know, or some bull crap like that. You know, St. Croix deep dick stick, whatever the heck, you know, they have these days. Like, I'm not doing all that, man. I just keep it simple. Ugly Stik, You know, same thing, you know, all my OG Vietnamese dad and uncle be using. Đủ má con cạch. You know, like, works. So I throw the fit over there, and I twit pot. I twit pot, twit pot, and if the fit is there, they buy. I bring it in, and I take home. I make the fish soup with it. It is so yummy. It is so yummy. Or I could fit a lot, and I sell it to the Chinese market, and then they sell it to you for a lot of money. $5 a pound. Or maybe $12 a pound for you. Good deal. Good discount. Discount. Đủ mẹ no fit. Đủ má no fit. This bullshit. Bullshit no fit. Đủ má bullshit. If you want to be a real man, if you want to be not a girl, you need to come out shy and do the fitting. You fitting, you cut the big fit, you get the nice girl. Okay? You want to be a man, you come out to fit. You see, I cut all the way there. It's so far, I went through the butt. I cut so far, I went through the butt. If you know me, I go through the butt all the time, no problem. I go really deep. I put it there, I let it sit for a little bit, and then I twit, and then I twit again, and then I twit like that, and I twit like this, and I twit like that, and I twit like this, and đủ má no foot. Did a trap pond. And no foot here. I twit pot, no buy. No more. Did play it trap. Alright, that's enough of that. Thanks for tuning in, guys. About to go to work now, so gotta get this video shoot done. But yeah, kind of uneventful, but appreciate you watching. And until next time, lighten up. 10 years, guys. 10 freaking years later. Hey, man, that's a trout. Nah, man, I'd rather catch this than bass. No, man, it's invasive. You need to kill it right away. Or you can give to me. I can make some fish soup. She's going back. I call pull it on you. Now it's gonna eat all the back. Bro, you could catch plenty of bass here. Let me show you. See? No fit. Let me try real quick over there. You get lucky, man. That's the last one in the pond.